All right, as usual, I'm going to start off this video looking at my lazy dog out there laying in the sun. That's her right there. That's my Stella, shop dog. Sorry, there's no squirrel for you, Stella. Anyhow, we just got back from camping over Labor Day weekend, and I am in the shop working. And what am I working on? Does anybody know? It looks pretty cool. Okay, where were we? We had a customer stop by and he chatted for a while, so I may have lost track of what I was talking about. But we are working on this Fiat, not the seat, but the Fiat. Does that make sense? Let me try to be a little more clear. This is not a Fiat. It is a Fiat with an S. S-E-A-T, Fiat 600D. It's a Spanish-made or Spanish licensed Fiat 600. And you can see the taillight lenses are not there. There's nary a wire in the engine compartment except for this. And all the wires for the complete car, in fact, the complete wiring harness starts under this seat and it runs across the shop floor and terminates there. And I'm putting in a brand new wire harness. Actually, the customer ripped out the wire harness a couple years ago and has instructed me to put in a new wire harness, which means I have got to digest this wire harness schematic. I've got to figure out where everything is going, and I've actually started that. I've got the column back in. I've got the speedometer hanging out. It's going to be difficult, but I'm up for the challenge. All the wires that go to the headlights, the gas tank. It's a fairly simple electrical system, but still it's a bit intimidating when you don't know who, when, why pulled out all the wires. So everything's got to get wired up, and I've got to do it by the end of the week. So that's my challenge for today. I guess I'd love challenges, but I'm working on this thing probably most of the week, and maybe I'll do a video at the end, but just wanted to show you guys what I get here at the shop. It is part of my job. I like it, but like I just put in this new turn signal switch. This is the Fiat turn signal switch that I have in my hand, and if you look really close, the levers on the Fiat switch are about an inch or two shorter than the Fiat ones. Again, Fiat versus Fiat, there's a lot of differences. The gauges, instead of saying in Italian, it's in Spanish, agua, and instead of saying in Italian gasoline, it's gasolina. I think in Italian it's petrol or olio, or I don't know what it is. But anyhow, you can see there are no wires hooked up to the back of this dash. It's all got to get fixed. You've got to rewire the car. And it's a bit intimidating. I may have already said that. And then what do we have here? I don't know what that says. Something in Spanish. I think it means 600D in Spanish. Not Italian, but Spanish. Yes, I'm going to go with 600D in Spanish. And then, oh, it's got some cool window stickers. Let's check those out. Everything on this car, though, if you look close, says Anza. Doesn't say Fiat or Fiat. It's so similar to a Fiat 600, but so different. Let's see if we can figure this out. I can't read that at all. Not only do I not have my glasses, but I'm just gonna I'm gonna murder it. Anyhow, I am putting this car back together. This wire harness came out of the car. There was no wire harness in the car. I'm putting one in, and I'm hoping to have it running and driving soon. So you guys should be really excited and go for a test drive with me and see what lights up. Hopefully the turn signal's on and the horn doesn't go off or make anything really, really wonky. So I think I can get it. I'm up for the challenge. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll get this Fiat S-E-A-T 600 back on the road.